Payment management doesn't have to be a time-consuming task. GCPay standardizes the application for payment process and ensures your projects are protected against costly delays. Here's how we do it. Seeing where you stand is the first step. Log in and select Dashboard to see what needs to be done. Here, you can see everything from submitted payment applications to uploaded waivers, expired compliance items, and more. You can drill down by project, by status, or with a number of other filters to navigate your workload. Okay, now let's go through the payment management process. First, here's what your subcontractor sees. Subs can view their contract and the payment applications they've already submitted. They can create a new payment application and bill against their approved contract. Your subcontractors have the option to bill by dollar value or by percentage of work complete. GCPay automatically calculates the dollar value. When they're ready to submit their pay app, they must satisfy any requirements established by the general contractor. This is where the rubber meets the road in construction payment management. Let's say your sub billed $4,000 in stored materials, and you'd like a photo for backup. You can make stored materials backup a requirement of payment application submission. Through GCPay, the subcontractor can upload a file to satisfy your requirement. Similarly, GCPay can require lien waivers, compliance documents, tier contractor reporting, and more. As the general contractor, you define the requirements and GCPay takes care of the rest. Approved payment applications can be exported to an integrated ERP or paid directly in GCPay. Ready to improve your payments processing? Contact GCPay today for a free demo.